How to fix Microsoft Office error code 0x2-0x0 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Update Windows. Microsoft frequently resolves bugs linked to numerous concerns, so make sure you update Windows to the most recent version to guarantee that all bug solutions are applied. The 0x2-0x0 error can occur if Office cannot connect to Microsoft's activation servers due to network issues. Verifying your connection ensures a stable activation process. Fix 3. Repair Office. Corrupted Office files can cause activation failures, leading to errors like 0x2-0x0. Repairing the installation can fix these issues without affecting your data. Fix 4. Clear Office cache data. Corrupted licensing data can prevent Office from activating properly. Clearing this data forces Office to revalidate your license. Delete all files within the Office file cache folder. Press Shift+Del for quick action. After clearing the cache, restart your computer and attempt the Office installation again. Select Office and Office apps and click Next. Next, choose I have Office 365 subscription, but I'm having trouble installing it, or another appropriate option and click Next. Click Yes to begin a scan.